How to fix Facebook app not working on iPhone after iOS 27 update. First, open settings. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now tap on VPN. Now disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Now tap on general. Scroll down. Here tap on date and time and set it to automatically. Now go back. Here tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and find Facebook. Tap on it. Now tap on offload app and offload the Facebook app. After this, go back. Open App Store. Here search for Facebook. Now update the Facebook app. After updating, go back. Restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. If the issue remains, then tap and hold the Facebook app. Here tap on remove app and delete Facebook app. After deleting, reinstall it. After reinstalling, your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.